Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the 5 GHz network on your router and making it visible. Log into the router admin, create a separate SSID for 5 GHz, and set WPA2 security so your Ps4 can authenticate. Once done, choose an 80 MHz channel width and pick a non-overlapping channel in the 3648 or 149-165 range. This reduces interference and boosts speed. Make sure the SSID name differs from your 4 GHz so you can select the correct band. Now connect the Ps4. Go to Settings, Network, set up Internet connection, and choose Wi-Fi. Pick the 5 GHz SSID you created. If you prefer precise settings, use custom to enter a static IP, DNS, or change MTU. Enter the WPA2 password exactly, then let the Ps4 test the connection so you can confirm IP assignment and NAT type. If the Ps4 requests firmware or router adjustments, pause gaming and apply those updates to ensure stable high-speed performance. Finish by running the Ps4 connection test and checking speed, latency, and NAT type. If results are poor, reboot router and Ps4, then try moving the router or changing channel width to 40 or 20 MHz to improve range. Make sure beamforming or wireless coexistence settings aren't blocking the Ps4. Key troubleshooting tip. If the 5 GHz SSID is invisible to the Ps4, set the SSID to visible. Confirm the router uses a compatible channel, and reduce distance or obstructions between router and console.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.